Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last video we have seen what is ngIf, how it works with the HTML directive and Angular directive. Now in the previous video we saw how to add or remove element in the HTML DOM, but we were not displaying any content dynamically. We were just adding or removing the div from the HTML DOM, but how to render a content dynamically, that we are going to see with the template reference. So template reference are basically used to gain access to DOM elements using hash. So this we call as template reference ID. So whatever use along with hash is called template reference ID. Okay. So template references can be used for other purposes also, like we use it to gain access to DOM element, we use it to render content dynamically, or we use it to access component or a directive. So in the next video we are going to see how we can render a content dynamically using template reference. So I hope you have understood it. Let us see with an example in the next video. Thank you.